Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see subscribers on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time with Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Tracking subscribers on Squarespace is a straightforward process that can be important for several reasons depending on the nature of your website and business. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the profile icon on the upper right corner and click the account dashboard. Now, once you are inside the Wix editor, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and go to the pages, because here you would be able to click the plus button on the not link, because there's going to be a section here that says member site, wherein you can create content for members only. And this is how you can see subscribers on Squarespace. All right, you can add a member site. You can select a template for your member site homepage. For example, I'm going to be choosing this one right here. Wait for it. Now, the member site requires premium plan, of course, before you can activate it. But the way you can see that, as you can see, pricing plan required. But in this page, you see that the pricing plan is required, right? Now, if you click that, there's going to be a new page wherein a pricing plan is required for your member site. You can simply create a pricing plan to finish setting up your member site. And this way, you would be able to see how many subscribers you have on your website. Of course, you can create a pricing plan. For example, this is going to be something like you can put in any name for here. For example, the payment is going to be $69. You can you can set up subscriptions, so it's a lot easier for you to check and monitor the subscribers. All right. If you want, you can also allow access to pages and content for free. Right. So this is going to be for member site. You can add digital products if you want. Of course, you can also sign up limits if you wanted as well. So these are going to be your options. Now, all I have to do, once they sign up here, you would be able to track all the subscribers inside this website. All I have to do is click on create, just wait for it to load. It'll take up a little while because you can add a digital product sales page to seller content. I'm gonna create that, so you're not limited with the default tools here, right? You have a leverage and you can have a pay control. You see, there's gonna be an option here that says paywall. If you click that, you can put in the content to member site. Description is this, all right? And the pricing plan is visible and will appear on the paywall, as you can see it from here, all right? The idea is that by monitoring subscribers, especially for paid services like this one, you can keep track of their engagement levels and address customer support issues proactively. Engaging with subscribers who may be losing interest that could help improve retention rates. Monitoring subscribers is a powerful way to understand your site's performance, audience engagement, and overall success of your marketing efforts. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.